guys, so you guys listen, I know it's been a while since you guys seen me on the channel, but listen, your girl's been down for the count with a migraine headache, and y'all already know when your girl is down for the count, we are not doing any videos or anything like that. So the last time you guys seen me was the live. So your girl have not been filming, we have not been editing, we have not been sewing. So today is July the 16th and your girl is in the lab. It's Thursday, July 16th, and my package have been here. It's this package right here. And I am going to show you what came in the mail from simplicity.com. It is some paper patterns that I picked up. I'm going to share with you guys what I picked up and why. And I'm going to share these actually on the top down camera so you guys can see what I picked up and why. Actually, here's the funny thing. I do not know what's in. I do, but I don't know because I did not go back to simplicity.com to see which patterns I picked up, but I know there's some Burda patterns in here from the new drop that I already talked about or whatnot. So without further ado, to keep this video short, sweet, and to the point like you like it, right? Let's go ahead and go over to the top down camera and talk about these patterns and talk about why I picked them up and what I'm going to do with them and when I'm going to sew them. All right. Because your girl is going to be back in the lab tomorrow, which is Friday, July the 17th. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and get into the patterns that I picked up from simplicity.com. I just opened up the package and there are a few patterns that I picked up. There's 7 patterns for myself and 1 pattern for a friend. I'm going to start off with the pattern for my friend. So my friend in Jamaica, she wanted me to get this pattern for her. It is Vogue 2130. Very nice pattern. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. She's going to be excited to see this pattern. Came in the mail for her. Yes, ma'am. All right. But this is 2130. It's not for me. It's for her. But yeah, I just wanted to show that. All right. It's 2130. If you're interested in that pattern, get it on the next Vogue sale. All right, next up is 5626. First pattern up. The reason why I picked this up is because I like VB, the culottes, gachos, whatever you want to call it. I am Bermuda shorts, really. I'm going to extend it to where I am able to wear it to work. So I'm just going to extend it and make it some gachos. I am also interested in the trousers. Dressing it up, dressing it down. Yes, I could use McCall's 8632. I have a complete sew along for that, but I just wanted to be able to utilize a different pattern outside of McCall's 8632. So yeah, that's why I picked up this pattern. This is an average to sew pattern. It ranges from size 8 to 18 on this one. Yeah, this is a good pattern. I'm hoping, okay? From the look of it, it looks like a good pattern. All right. Once again, it's 5626. All right, next pattern is 5621. Now, I am so interested in view B. When I did the drop video, which I will put the drop video of the Burda drop in the description box below, so you could get to that drop video. Everything I said about these patterns are in the drop video. All right. Now, this is an average to sew pattern. The size range is 10 to 22. Now, you would need trouser fabric for this one. Now, I am interested in view B. I like view A, the cargo style. The only difference between the two is the cargo pockets on the side. Do I really want that detail? I don't know, but we will see. All right, but I'm more interested in view B for the fall. And I can see all the fall colors for these pants. All right, but once again, it's 5621. Next pattern is 5613, one of the favorites that I called out during the drop video. Now, they mentioned this as an easy to sew. The size range is size 10 to 22. They mentioned this as a step-by-step pattern, step-by-step, day by day. I do not know what they are meaning when they say step-by-step, okay? I have no idea. But I am more interested in View B simply because you are able to dress it up, dress it down. I don't feel like I need a coat that's going to go all the way down to my ankles, my crankles. I'm just playing. But I don't need a coat that's going to go all the way down to my knees right now. It does not get that coat in Orlando. So to a little past my hips is good for me. All right. You can use coat fabric for this one is what you're going to need. But once again, this is 5613. Next up is 5590. The reason why I picked this one up is for the sweatshirt, but I also like View C on this one as well. You will need jersey knit fabric. So the coat or jacket is not a woven. It is for knit. So just make sure you know that. They claim this is a super easy to sew pattern, but let me be the judge whenever I get around to this one. Okay. But yeah, this is 5590, a Burda Easy pattern. Okay. I don't know how easy it is because you're going to need to put on some buttons, actually some snaps. But once again, it's 5590. Next up is 5607. 5607 is an average to sew pattern. It ranged from size 8 to 22. This is the step-by-step pattern. The reason why I picked this up is because of View A. I like that more like a cardigan. This cardigan would be good to do in the fall. Now, if I took that cardigan pattern and made that with the trouser pattern, which is View A, that could go good together. I'm on to something here. Okay, these two patterns together, I'm on to something here. But we will see how that goes, all right? But once again, that's 5607. Next up, second to last, is 5617. You guys know, I'm going to put it up on the screen so you're able to see it. The suit, okay? I addressed this with the drop video. You can make a whole wardrobe with these two pieces. You could separate them. You could wear it together. But you could do the top portion of the suit, the jacket or whatever, you could do it with a pencil skirt. You could do it with a pair of jeans. You could do it with leggings. You could do it so many different ways, all right? The skirt, you can pair so many different ways with button-down shirts, tanks, tees, whatever. So yeah, you can make a whole wardrobe with this. This is an average to sew pattern. The size range is size 8 to 22 on this one. For the jacket, you can do sleeve headings or you could do shoulder pads. That is up to you and that is optional. Once again, it's 5617. And the last pattern is 5601. Now, this is an average to sew pattern. It ranges from size 20 to 30. Now, one thing I want to mention is I am not interested in color blocking this. I want it all one color, one fabric, and I like the fact that you could dress this pattern up or down. It doesn't have to be all dressy. And I talked about this pattern during the drop video, all right? Now, you will need some jacket fabric. You can do sleeve headings or you could do shoulder pads. It's up to you on this one. But yeah, I like this pattern. This was one of the favorites out of the bunch during the drop video. All right. Well, you guys, those are all the patterns that I picked up from Burda, not from Burda, from simplicity.com. Let me know in the comment section below which one should I sew first for the fall time. Let me know in the comment section below, and maybe I might just sew one of those. All right. Let me know in the comment section below. All right, you guys, there you have it. That's all the patterns that I picked up. I hope you enjoyed, but let me know in the comment section below which ones did you pick up during the last sale. Now, these were picked up during the 70% off sale when they had all the patterns on sale for 70% off. Yes, your girl picked them up during the 70% off sale. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. And if this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, Please leave me a comment in the section below. Once again, leave me a comment in the comment. Oh, I have not done a video for so long. Excuse me. But leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know which pattern should I do first. Let me know, because it might just be one that I do now. You never know. But, and as always, keep going, keep sewing, and definitely keep growing. I'll talk to you in the next one.